Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to paint the cherry blossom with watercolor on rice paper. I put a sketch underneath of the rice paper so I can follow the sketch. I use a thick consistency yellow paint and make stamens in the center of the flower. I wet my brush in the pink water first, which is lots of water with 1 drop of pink, then add pink paint on the tip of the brush. I place my brush on the center of the flower and drag out to make a petals. My brush has 2 tones of color and it appears as a nice gradations on the petals. Can you guys see the stamens showing in the center of the flower? Thick consistency paint shows underneath of the thin layer paint. I paint top layer flowers first, then move to the background flowers. I'm adding watery magenta in the center of the flower. The watered down the color will get much lighter after it gets dried, so it's good to add some dark accent in some places to hold the shapes. I just opened my brush bristles to work on shadings with a feathery touch. I keep adding shadings. This flower is facing the other side, so it's the back of the flower. I'm making some flower buds too. I leave a little space between the petals to keep the petals separate. I'm putting branches behind the flowers and buds. I'm moving on to greens now. I load my brush with the light green first, then add the dark green on the tip of the brush. My brush tip has dark color, so I place that tip on the shading place and draw the leaves. I can make a highlight and shading at the same time. I use water down the green for the background leaves. It's watered down the paint and it's lighter than branch colors, so I just go over the branches. I think this one needs flower petals here. I'm adding shadings and fix the gaps between the leaves or flowers. I'm adding some textures on the leaves. I'm glazing some pink on the leaves. I want to fill up the space a little bit more, so I'm adding some lines. I'm adding shadings. I'm using thick consistency yellow and adding highlights on the leaves. I just added thick consistency white and opened it my brush bristles and adding highlights on the petals. I want to work on details on the stamens, so I take some moist out from the rice paper by dabbing the surface with a paper towel. I'm using magenta and draw some longer stamens. I use gold paint and give some accent on the stamens. I think it's done. If anybody is interested in some online watercolor class or workshops, check the description below. Thank you for watching this video.